Welcome back. Episode 2. We're out again hunting. It's been this type of weather all winter, so I haven't taken the time to hunt as much as I wanted to. And second thing is that I bought a new house, and it's an old one, and it needed a lot of repairs. Takes time to move, stuff like that. So but now I'm back on track. Hopefully the winter is getting better, but it's not fun to hunt in this type of climate. I mean, it's plus and it's slippery. You don't want to fall with the gun and everything like that. But we're going to try to see if we can spot any birds. You can hear in my voice I'm not very happy about it. But you can't shoot any birds from the sofa, as a friend said to me, so let's hunt on. Finally we have some black grouse in front of us, but they're far away. 258 meters. So I need to try to get closer to them or weigh them out. I think the better thing is to get closer to them. Elmer, ja. So I was aiming for them in the birches over there. It's like 205 meters. And they got spooked, so everybody lifted up. And one of them went up to that pine. I need to zoom out. So one of them went up to that pine. And I took a shot at him, and Elmer went away. So hopefully he will get it. Otherwise we have some searching to do because the hit wasn't perfect. But I took him. So just wait a little bit. And we'll see if you get it. He's far out. Can't understand why he's so far out. Well, let him do his job. Because I think it's just some... He's gonna get it. Here it is. Here he comes. Well, strangest hunting. Never had a chance like that. I mean, never been. Hunting is hunting, but I never. So I never been in a hunting situation where the birds go from 200 meters to actually explode and fly over you to almost sit on you. I mean, I had just like 1 second on me to take it, and I did. So now he's coming. I'm pretty sure he's gonna get it. Let's see. Should be lying there somewhere. Yep, he got it. He has it. Look at him. Ja, kom då! Åh, så duktig! Ja, kom då med den! Ja, kom då! Kom då! Ja, kom då! Här är jag! Åh, så duktig du är! Åh, så duktig! Vilken kille! Heja va! Heja! Åh, vilken fin årtupp! Va? Titta! Åh, så fin! Åh, så duktig! Åh, den lever! So I need to take this one. Åh, vänta! Håll fast! Släpp! Så, tack! Bra, Elmer! Tack! Bra! Åh, så duktig! Beautiful grounds again. So here we go. It's a young bird again. See on the feathers. Really beautiful. Oh, we grabbed it by the neck. But I don't think well, you can see actually how the shot didn't took good, but I think it's pretty good. Yeah. You have a chest here. It's full. It's okay, it's not smashed. So I took it really good. A little bit by the neck here. I think he grabbed it. Yeah, grabbed it by the neck. Åh, så duktig du är! Åh ja, vilken kille! Ja, åh, så duktig! Ja! Titta vilken fin fågel. Ja, titta vad fin. Vad duktig du var. Tack, tack. En merci. En merci.